Hi guys. Today we will talk about how to fix iPhone camera blurry image or shaking. This process is simple and easy. For this, I have multiple ways. The first is make sure your camera lenses are clean. They don't have dust. For cleaning lenses, take a cloth and remove all the dust which is on your camera lenses. The next way is click on your camera screen and let the iPhone focus on the subject on which you want to focus. Because sometimes if you not do, the image will be blurry. So once you will click on your camera, you will see it will focus on that subject. Another way is swipe up and holds for a while until you see all the recent apps. Now we'll close the camera application by swiping it upside. Now the camera has been closed. Open your camera again and check it's working or not. If that is not, let's move to the next way. Next way is open your iPhone setting. In the setting, click on the option General. And here tap on the option Software Update and make sure your iPhone is up to date. No pending updates are available, and if any update is available, then click on the option Update Now and make your phone up to date. Then your problem will be solved. But if your problem is not solved yet, then what you have to do, the last way is come down to the last. And here you can see the option of transfer, click on it, and tap on the option Reset, and reset all the setting. It's the last way by which you can solve the problem. I hope after following my method, your problem will be solved, and that's it.